The Chief Justice of Bangladesh, Obaidul Hassan, resigned today. This came after hundreds of protesters surrounded the Supreme Court and gave him an ultimatum to step down. Reports suggest the situation escalated rapidly and the Chief Justice had to flee the premises before announcing his resignation. What led to this outrage? The Chief Justice called a full court meeting without consulting the newly formed interim government. This prompted outrage and demands for accountability. The student protesters accused the judges of conspiracy. As tensions mounted, the Chief Justice abruptly called off the court meeting. However, protesters continued to besiege the Supreme Court and gave the Chief Justice a one-hour ultimatum to resign. Under pressure, Obaidul Hassan agreed to step down in principle. The fresh protests against him were a part of a wider unrest that led to Hasina's departure. More than 450 people have been killed so far, including dozens of police officers. Police union has declared a strike and has refused to return to work until their safety is assured. Meanwhile, Sheikh Hasina has been sheltering in New Delhi since Monday and reportedly plans to return to the country for elections. Despite her resignation, the violence hasn't died down. Homes and businesses of the country's minority Hindu community were vandalized this week, forcing many to try and flee to India. Bangladesh interim leader Muhammad Yunus, who was sworn in earlier this week, has appealed for religious unity. The Nobel laureate faces the huge task of bringing stability to the country on boil.